Hi everyone, DS Paper 1 2018 and the question is, which one of the following is a very significant aspect of the Champaran Satyagraha? The option first is active all India participation of lawyers, students and women in the national movement. Option second is active involvement of the Dalit and the tribal communities of India in the national movement. Option third is joining of the peasant unrest to Indian national movement. And the fourth option is drastic decrease in the cultivation of plantation crops and commercial crops. And what is the answer? A, B, C or D? The answer is C. And the explanation for the answer is the Champaran peasant movement was launched in 1917 to 1918. Its objective was to create the awakening among the peasants against the European planters. These planters resorted to illegal and inhuman methods of indigo cultivation at a cost of which by no canons of justice could be called an adequate remuneration for the labor done by the peasants. For all the explanations and the PDF, we will provide you on the Telegram channel. Link is given in the description so you can scan the QR code. Thank you.